If your earbuds are acting up, not charging, not connecting, weak noise cancellation, one side louder than the other, or your mic sounds terrible on calls, you're definitely not alone. Today, I'll walk you through how to fix all 5 of these issues. Easily, right at home, step by step. Timestamps are in the description, so you can jump straight to the fix you need. Let's kick things off with the most common one. Your earbuds not charging in the case? Super common, but also super fixable. What's going on? Most of the time, it's just dirt, lint, or earwax blocking the charging contact between the case and the earbuds. Even a tiny layer can mess things up. How to fix it: grab a soft cloth, tissue, or a dry toothbrush. Gently clean the metal charging pins inside the case, and also the contact points on your earbuds. Got stubborn gunk? Use a little isopropyl alcohol on a cotton swab. It evaporates quickly and won't damage the electronics. Even blowing into the case can help dislodge fine dust particles. After a workout or walk, wipe down your earbuds with a soft cloth before putting them back in the case. Sweat is one of the biggest causes of long-term charging problems. Still no luck after cleaning? That earbud might be toast. Only one earbud working, or connections dropping randomly? What's going on? It's usually a pairing glitch or outdated Bluetooth settings. Step 1. Forget the earbuds from your phone's Bluetooth list. Step 2. Factory reset the earbuds. Most cases have a reset button. Pop both earbuds in. Press and hold for 10 to 15 seconds until the LEDs flash. Step 3. Reconnect from scratch. If your ANC feels weak or like it's not working at all, here's what's really going on. Active noise cancellation only works if your earbuds seal your ear properly. If the ear tip size is off, ANC can drop by more than half. How to fix it? Try swapping the ear tips till you get that tight, secure fit. Consider trying third-party tips like SpinFit or Comply Foam for better comfort and seal. If your earbuds support it, run the ANC optimization feature in the app. Still not working? The noise-canceling mics might be defective. If people say your voice sounds muffled or you're cutting in and out, this fix is for you. Either your mic is blocked or there's a software bug. Clean the mic opening, usually a small hole or mesh grill. Use a dry toothbrush or a toothpick, very gently. Pro tip: use your phone to make a short voice recording way easier than calling someone just to check. Does one side sound louder or more muffled? You're not imagining it. This happens a lot. Usually it's earwax, lint, or even moisture blocking the speaker grill. Sometimes it's not the earbuds, it's your own ears. Take the ear tips off. Shine a flashlight on the speaker grill. Clean with a dry brush or gently blow air. If the grill is removable, take it off and check for anything stuck underneath. And that's a wrap. Hope your earbuds are working like new again. Let me know in the comments which fix worked for you or if there's a weird issue I didn't cover. I try to reply to as many as I can. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes.